Learning multiplication tricks is also learning division tricks. Let's take a look at some of these. Multiplying by 4 is by doubling and doubling again. Let's try with 32. What is 32 times 4? First, we double 32 to get 64. Then we need to double 64. That is a little trickier. We can double 60 and double 4, then add the results together. So 32 times 4 is 128. We can work out the equivalent division trick using the fact that division is the opposite of multiplication. To divide by 4, half and then half again. The next trick is multiplying by a power of 10. When we multiply by 10, we move the digits one place to the left. This is because we make everything 10 times bigger. The equivalent division trick is dividing by 10 moves the digits one place value to the right. So 240 divided by 10 is 24. Multiplying by 100 moves the digits 2 positions to the left. For example, 13 times 100 is 1,300. The equivalent division trick is dividing by 100 moves the digits 2 positions to the right. Our last trick is multiplying by 5. If we know how to multiply by 10, then we can multiply by 5 by multiplying by 10 and halving the answer. For example, to multiply 48 by 5, we start by multiplying 48 by 10, which is 480. Then we halve 480. Dividing by 5 is the same as dividing by 10 and then doubling. For example, to divide 620 by 5, we start by dividing 620 by 10, which is 62. Then we double 62. We have learned some tricks to multiply and divide mentally. There are many more tricks we can use. What's most important is that you know your times tables like the back of your hand, or better.